Well, earlier we heard from Common Ground volunteer Karol Swan about Thanksgiving foods, and that interview will be on our Facebook page a little later this morning. And now Karol is back with a recipe to share, and Taryn is standing by now with more.
We always love our Wednesdays here because that means it's Common Ground Day and we get a recipe to share. This is a good one today. It's chicken spectacular.
Yes. My sister-in-law, Teresa Liver, she's a fabulous cook, and so I cobbed it from her.
And if you tried it before?
Yeah.
And it's a good one.
Yeah,
okay,
it's
what
a
do,
good one.
what do we need, Karol?
Well, we start off with, I use chicken breast, but you can use any kind of chicken, about 3 cups.
Even
yeah.
rotisserie chicken if you
Yeah,
want
even
to cut
rotisserie chicken, right.
Okay.
And then we put in, this is a whole box of wild rice, long grain wild rice, cooked in chicken broth instead of water. And just kind of stir that.
Okay.
Then we'll, a can of cream celery soup. We got lots of ingredients, so we'll be fast here. Cream celery soup. And then the kind of a fun one is a half a cup of mayonnaise.
Oh.
That's kind of a different thing.
Does it matter if you use Hellmann's or Miracle Whip? Or?
I like Hellmann's better. I prefer Hellmann's. I'm kind of a Hellmann's person. And then water chestnuts, and if you can't do water chestnuts, you can do celery.
I do like water chestnuts, though. Those are good.
Yeah, because some people just say they can't handle
really?
water chestnuts.
Maybe it's a texture thing or something?
I think so. And then French-style green beans.
Okay.
And it's kind of a dump and go.
Oh yeah, you really have to stir. You almost need a bigger container.
Yes, I do. I stirred it up last night, and I thought, oh, this will work. This will work. And then a little onion.
All right.
And there's enough salt in the products that I didn't have any added salt and
What do you do with these guys?
Okay, and if you want to, you can put in some almonds. I didn't put any almonds in that, but if you want to put slivered almonds in, just kind of for some crunchy.
Okay, so then stir it all.
And kind of stir it all up, and then put it in that little 8x8 pan, and it makes a lot of. It doesn't look like it's a lot amount, but it's makes a lot.
Maybe I'll continue to stir it.
Part of it, and then we'll just go from there.
Oh yeah, so you could almost put it in a bigger container.
Almost could, yeah. Okay. It's kind of depends how much chicken, and 2 fair-sized chicken breasts will make the 3 cups. And I usually boil my chicken breasts and then cut them up, and usually have chicken breasts cut up in the freezer.
So you can get quite a few meals from this. Again, you could put it in a longer pan.
Yeah, you could put it in a longer pan, double it up, add another can of green beans, stretch it out.
Okay, so here it is, finished. It looks beautiful. I can't wait to try this today.
Yeah. Like I said, the ingredients have plenty of salt in them, so I just didn't use any extra salt or pepper.
Yeah, and you could probably cut them down too with the sodium, couldn't you?
Yeah.
Some of the ingredients.
Yeah, some of the low sodium canned products, yes.
No, this is so tasty. I'm going to continue to eat this in the commercial break.
Okay.
Very good. Try this for dinner tonight, supper tonight, whatever word you use. I know on the farm we say supper.
Yeah, we say supper. Yeah.
You say supper, all right. And so we'll also have this recipe on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page. Look for it there and on my Facebook page, and you can copy it down and give it a try. Karol, thanks.
Thank you, thank you.
All right, back to you.